Reykjavik. Reykjavik, the capital city of Iceland, is indeed a great place to visit for a variety of reasons. It's a unique and vibrant destination with a mix of natural beauty, culture, and history. Here are some reasons why Reykjavik is a good place to visit. Reykjavik serves as a gateway to Iceland's stunning natural landscapes. You can easily access famous attractions like the Golden Circle, Blue Lagoon, and various waterfalls from the city. Reykjavik is known for its geothermal activity. You can visit hot springs like the Blue Lagoon, or even take a dip in one of the city's numerous geothermal pools like the Cathedral. Reykjavik has a thriving arts and music scene. Explore the Concert Hall, visit museums like the National Museum of Iceland, or experience the local music scene in downtown venues. Try traditional Icelandic dishes like lamb, fish, and fermented shark, or explore the city's modern culinary scene with a variety of international cuisines. Reykjavik has charming architecture with colorful buildings and a cozy, small-town atmosphere. The Hallgrímskirkja Church, with its unique design, is an iconic landmark. If you visit during the winter months, you have a good chance of seeing the mesmerizing northern lights, or aurora borealis, in the surrounding areas. Icelanders are known for their warmth and hospitality, making your stay in Reykjavik even more enjoyable. Iceland is one of the safest countries in the world, and Reykjavik is no exception. It's a great destination for solo travelers and families alike. Beyond the city, you can enjoy activities like hiking, whale watching, horseback riding, and glacier tours. In the summer, Reykjavik experiences the midnight sun, where the sun remains visible almost 24 hours a day, giving you more daylight to explore. Keep in mind that Iceland, including Reykjavik, can be quite expensive, so it's a good idea to plan your budget accordingly. Also, the weather can be unpredictable, so packing appropriate clothing and checking the weather forecast is essential. The best time to visit Reykjavik depends on your preferences and what you want to experience during your trip. Reykjavik experiences 4 distinct seasons, each offering its own unique charm and activities. Here's a breakdown of the best times to visit Reykjavik based on different factors. Summer, which is June to August. Midnight sun. If you want to experience the phenomenon of the midnight sun, when the sun doesn't set for several weeks during the summer, visit in June or July. Warmer weather. Summer offers the mildest temperatures, with highs ranging from 50 to 60 F, 10 C to 20 C. This is the best time for outdoor activities like hiking and camping. Vibrant festivals. Reykjavik hosts various cultural events and festivals during the summer, including the Reykjavik Arts Festival and the Secret Solstice Music Festival, for which is September to October. Fewer crowds. The summer tourist crowds start to thin out, so you can enjoy Reykjavik with fewer tourists. Autumn colors. Reykjavik and the surrounding areas showcase beautiful fall foliage, making it a great time for photography and sightseeing. Northern lights. As the nights get darker, you have a chance to see the northern lights, or aurora borealis, toward the end of the fall. Winter, which is November to February. Northern lights. This is the prime time for viewing the northern lights, but be prepared for very short daylight hours and colder temperatures. Snow activities. If you enjoy winter sports like skiing or snowmobiling, this is the season for you. Reykjavik also hosts Christmas markets and festivities. Cozy atmosphere. Winter can be a magical time in Reykjavik with its cozy cafes and the city's festive holiday decorations. Spring, which is March to May. Milder weather. Spring is a transitional season with gradually warming temperatures, making it a good time for outdoor exploration. Wildlife watching. You can spot puffins and other migratory birds returning to Iceland's shores during this time. Fewer tourists. Similar to fall, spring offers a quieter and more budget-friendly experience compared to the summer months. Reykjavik, Iceland's capital city, offers a range of attractions and places to visit that showcase the country's unique culture, history, and natural beauty. Here are some of the best places to visit in Reykjavik. Number 1. Hallgrímskirkja. Number 2. Concert Hall. Number 3. Poland. Number 4. National Museum of Iceland. Number 5. The Settlement Exhibition. Number 6. The Sun Voyager. Number 7. Reykjavik City Hall. Number 8. Laugardalslög. Number 9. Tjörning. Number 10. Old Harbour. Number 11. North Oslo Thermal Beach. Number 12. The Icelandic Phallological Museum. Number 13. Reykjavik Street Art. Number 14. Whale watching. Number 15. Food and drink.